4 websites you have to know while working on internet. Let's have fun. The first website for today is printfriendly.com. It's an amazing website that enables you to turn any website or any article into a PDF file just in a few seconds. All you have to do is just to paste here your link of your website in question. For example, we can take this one, copy, paste to our website and just paste it. Preview. Your print-friendly page is generating and turning your website and your website page into a PDF file. As you see, additionally, the best thing here, just you can remove anything you want in that page, and you have 2 options. Just you can download this PDF file or you can print it out immediately. So the first website for today is printfriendly.com. And now let's move on to the next website for today, that is swipefile.com. And kindly feast your eyes with this amazing treasure, because swipefile.com is a huge library of the most successful ads and posts in any niche, in any field. So you can take this wonderful website as an inspirational resource of your upcoming posts and ads. As you see, the most successful ads and posts in any niche, in any field, in any topic, as you see. Okay, perfect. And now let's move on to the next website for today, that is moose.ly or Moozly. It's one of the biggest inspirational resources out there in internet. Here you can find a lot of inspirational ideas about illustrations, designs, web designs, and landing pages, and so on. So all you have to do is just you can add this Chrome extension to your Chrome browser as a plugin. As you see, Moozly to stay inspired. Okay, and after adding this Chrome extension to your browser, just here you can insert any keyword, any color codes, anything that you want to search for to get inspired, like landing pages, dashboard, icons, logos, pricing pages, illustrations, mobile app, and so on. So if we can check out this amazing one category, landing page, here we'll find tons of the most attractive landing pages to get inspired and to make your landing page for any topic, for any project, for any work, as you see. Perfect. Okay, and now let's move on to the next website for today, that is tweakyyourpage.com title generator. Honestly, out there are many websites that are so-called title generators or YouTube ideas generators, but frankly speaking, this amazing website is the best one, because here just you can insert your topic, whatever it is, like for example for dog. Okay, and just you can choose how would you like the results to appear, title case, sentence case, or all caps, is this a verb or noun. Okay, and submit. And this wonderful website gives you a lot of titles and YouTube video ideas according to the type you want to be. Like you can use this one for enlists. So here you can find like this one, take advantage of dog, read this 8 tips, the next 8 things you should do for dog success, the 8 best things about dog, and so on. And for the best, here you can find best dog and Android apps, best dog tips you will read this year, best 90 tips for dog, and so on and so forth, the A to Z of dog, and how to type. It's an amazing type of making your titles of your YouTube videos that attract more viewers and subscribers, like how to learn a dog, how to teach dog, and likewise questions like do you need a dog, do you make these simple mistakes in dog, and so on and so forth, and for love, and for sex, and for celebrities, and so on. So here you will find a lot of categories and a lot of ideas, and this website works as a brainstorming for your topic. So you have to make the best of these 4 websites in your work. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.